Hey everybody! Today we're going to be working on using lines to create an artwork like this. In this artwork I've used different directions of line. I've also used different quality of line, meaning I've used thick and thin line. Lines can also be perpendicular, parallel, converging, or they can intersect. In this video, you'll see how I've used different line direction and quality to create my artwork. After watching the video, you can create your own. Have fun and be creative. Bye!
All right, to start out, we're going to use a pencil and we're going to draw a few vertical lines, some diagonal lines going in one direction, then some horizontal lines going in another direction. These lines are going to intersect, and then we're going to draw some more diagonal lines in the other direction, about 3 or 4 in each direction. All right, now I'm going to start using my ruler and a pen, and I want to draw horizontal, vertical, and diagonal lines inside of the shapes that I've created. Now the trick here is we want to use different lines, so we're going to adjust either the thickness or the direction of the lines. I've started out by using a ruler, but once you feel more comfortable, you can then do it freehand if you feel that you can do it without the ruler. So as we continue to draw our lines, again, we're just changing the direction or the quality, thickness of the line. Make sure that your lines are not intersecting. They're always going to be parallel or perpendicular to the previous shape that you were filling in. You can also draw lines that converge, meaning that they meet at the same point, and this will give you another effect in this type of drawing. Continue using the vertical, horizontal, and diagonal lines until you've filled the entire paper. And when you finish, you'll have a very interesting result. Again, you want to limit yourself with just these 3 directions of line, and they do not intersect. They can converge, but you want to keep them parallel or perpendicular.